Oh. I'm gonna try flawless. Are you in flawless mode? No. Okay. But were you in flawless mode? No. Like were just now? Oh, this morning, yeah. Just now, another person that looked like you joined. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not gonna do that much voice. I suck at Arsenal. That's all you need to know. And also Neon Chaos and Prismatic and Video Game Madness. So if you see me fail on any of this, it's not my screen, it's just me. These are the ones. Oh yeah, and my most hated one is Underworld and Atlantic and Ancient Egypt. So basically every except Candyland. Oh my god, this is so long! I hate this. Why is this blocked? I mean, if that wasn't blocked, my goodness. Oh yeah, by the way, let me show you a visual glitch. Wait, no, this game, yeah, right through though. Get ready. Are you ready for this? If this reaches 1 like, I'll be doing a part 2 for this game, photography. But if this reaches 2 likes, I'll post a video of me going to a random island and giving away one Vambo. Vambos are rare, you know. I got 60 of them, but then I just gave them away. So now I have 22. I have 22 Vambos now. Of course, I have to give some to my friends. So technically, I have 22 now. So you better hurry up before stock runs out. Actually, I only have 21 to give away since, of course, I need one for myself. So basically, there's only 21 left. And if you want to see more pro gameplay, sub to this channel. And if you don't want, also sub Desmond Kwong Wei Liang. I was 1v1ing him in Arsenal in the previous video of it. And guess who knifed him? Now he became very good at Arsenal. But of course I could still beat him. Oh no, why is that? How much Atlantic zones are there gonna be? I need to beat flawless. No. Didn't. Hey. You can never steal my streak. Okay, fine. Maybe you can steal my streak. No, you aren't going nowhere, Captain True, whoever that is. You aren't going anywhere. I'm gonna overtake my streak again. I need to win this guy. This is my goal today. Die. Come on. Fail. I'm moving to the next one. You look at Mula. I'm coming for you. Yeah. I'm coming for you. Underwood zone, yes. Maybe he's bad at this. No, please die. Underwood is the hardest level of them all, in my opinion. No!